Hey everybody, welcome back to Sack's Garage. I am Sack, and actually this is my backyard. This video is not the Turbo Ranger build. Actually, it is about the trailer that was stolen. If you are a new subscriber, haven't been following, here is a quick look at what I am talking about. Right, so last December, my trailer was stolen out of my driveway. I forgot to lock it up after my last time at the track, and someone conveniently came by and hooked up and ran off with it. Unfortunately, the local cops and sheriff's office could not find who did it. They didn't have any real suspects based on the video that I gave them that I just showed you guys. But after 10 months, we now have a new trailer. So this is a 24-foot Hallmark. It's a 2001, got it from a local guy. It's in pretty decent shape for it being 20 years old. The there's just a couple dings in random places. Some issues that we're gonna have to fix is the breakaway battery is not been hooked up, so it hasn't been charged, and that's pretty much dead. We'll have to buy a new one of those. On the frame rails underneath, there's just a couple small rust spots that we can just hit with some paint and a wire wheel, and it'll be good. Some of the fasteners on the outside you can see are pretty rusty, so we'll come through with some WD-40 and get some of that rust off and just kind of protect them. The top was just resealed. It's a one-piece top, looking good. The tires have decent tread on them. Looks like they should last at least a couple years on that. Unfortunately, there's no spare, so I need to get a new spare for it. It is a Hallmark, so if you guys know trailers, Hallmark is generally a pretty reputable brand. And so a newer lower end trailer right now is running about $10,500 from one of the lower end manufacturers, and you're talking like 12 to 15 from a place like Hallmark. So the inside here got all the lights, everything works, flip out ramp, and the previous owner actually just repainted the whole inside. So it's a little dark in here, but floor is all nice and repainted. There's these rings that tuck away into the floor. Got two lights here on the roof that work when it's hooked up to power, and he just redid the upper pop-up vents. So overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. It's nice and clean. It's 24 feet long. No major issues. Got an RV style door with the bar lock on the outside. Here's the switch for the interior lights if we were hooked up to the truck. But the Ranger is about 17 feet long. This is 24 feet long. Plenty of room for what we need to do. But I'm super happy with this purchase. That's all I have for this video. If you've been hanging out waiting for the Turbo Ranger build, I've been slowly chipping away at it. Now that summertime is coming to an end, I'm spending less time out on the water on the boat and more time in the garage, so you can expect a video from the Ranger build to drop within a couple weeks. And that's it. Thanks for watching Sack's Garage. Until next time.